So to create the contact page, the first thing we need to do, we need to go to our contact HTML page that we have here. And we just want to delete what's there. And then what we want to do, we want to go to our HTML templates and we want to get the HTML5 template. While we're here, let's just change this title so that we get a nice title to the page called Contact Us. So what we now want to do, we're going to create a number of input elements on the page to allow us to enter name, email address, message. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to actually put those inside a set of a field set, as it's called. It kind of links everything together. It gives a nice sort of visual element to the page, so all the elements look like they belong together. So to do that, we just go to our body where we want to start, and we just create a field set. Okay, very simple. Okay, so this is where we're going to be putting all our elements for the Contact Us page. And then let's surround that. Actually, what we really want to do before we do that is we also want that to be inside a form. So I want to create a form. And let's give that form a nice name, just in case we want, just in case we want to actually do any styling to this later on. So we call it contact form, and we give it name exactly the same, just so it's all consistent. We're going to have a method of post, just like we did before. And our last set of fields that we put up for the on the main page, because obviously we want to be able to post the elements to our PHP. And what we're going to do, we're going to create an action, and we're going to create something a little bit later on. I'm going to call it if it goes to the right place without it jumping, it's going to be called post email. .php. Now I've not created this yet. This will be something that we will be creating later on, and let's do that close form after my field set. Right, and let's just tab indent this and this. Okay, so next thing I want to do, final thing for this lecture, is I'm going to actually give this field set something called a legend. Okay, and that basically sets a name to the field set so you can visually see it, and I'm going to show you this in a second. Again, let's just call that Contact Us, and let's save that, and then what we will do, we will see what that looks like, and it will give you an idea of what a field set is and what a legend is. Right, so this box here is a field set, and the legend is this title here. So what we're going to have all our elements for the Contact Us inside this box here, and it kind of gives it, as I say, a grouping feel. So in this lecture, we've added a HTML page to our Contact Us. We've created a new form called Contact Form, which has got a method of post and is going to be posting to a script which we have yet to create called postemail.php, and then we created a field set. In the next lecture, we're going to add the elements to the form for creating an email.